Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to get crying face filter on Instagram. So for this one you have to go to on Instagram, then click on your story, then you have to click on your camera and sorry find this browse effect. I hope this one. Yes. Then you have to click on browse effect, and in there you have to search cry. Then you will find many effects of that makes your face crying. You can use this one. I hope this one is pretty funny. Yeah, so that's how you can make your face and your friend's face crying. So I hope this video helped you, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe my channel. Peace.